Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best compressed air duster. This device is packed with features to make cleaning effortless, versatile, and eco-friendly. Stay tuned as I walk you through all the details. Let's get started. Product features. 2-in-1 functionality. The CopyDo VC016 is not just a compressed air duster. It's also a handheld vacuum cleaner. This smart design lets you switch between blowing away dust and vacuuming debris, making it perfect for cleaning keyboards, car interiors, and even inflating swimming rings or charcoal fires. Powerful deep cleaning with adjustable speeds. This air duster offers 3 wind speed modes for different cleaning needs. A short press adjusts speeds, while a long 3-second press powers it on or off. With consistent, strong airflow, it clears dust effectively without damaging delicate devices like laptops or cameras. Rechargeable and eco-friendly. Say goodbye to disposable canned air. The VC016 comes with a rechargeable battery that runs 30 to 40 minutes on one charge. It uses USB-C charging compatible with laptops, power banks, or adapters. This eco-friendly solution saves money while protecting the environment. 6 nozzles and brushes for versatile cleaning. Equipped with 6 detachable nozzles and brushes, this duster handles every situation. From dusting electronics to cleaning tight car corners or carpets, each attachment is designed for specific tasks, giving you a complete toolkit for both home and office cleaning needs. Smart indicator and LED lighting. Cleaning dark spaces? No problem. This device has a built-in LED light that improves visibility in hidden spots. With a 3-second press, you can turn the light on or off. 3 blue indicators also show battery status, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. Pros: dual use as duster and vacuum. 3 adjustable speed modes. Rechargeable and eco-friendly. Includes 6 versatile nozzles. LED light and battery indicators. Cons: runs about 30 to 40 minutes per charge. Slightly noisy at highest speed. May take time to recharge fully. Final thoughts. The CopyDo VC016 compressed air duster is a smart, eco-friendly, and versatile tool for keeping your workspace and gadgets dust-free. Its 2-in-1 design, rechargeable battery, and multiple nozzles make it a must-have cleaning companion for tech lovers and households alike. Keep your gadgets spotless today. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more amazing finds.